How to install LiveChat on Segment. Adding LiveChat to your segment is really easy. In few simple steps that involves just a few clicks, you will be able to chat with your website visitors and your mobile app users via LiveChat. Installation. Learn how to integrate LiveChat with Segment and manage departments. Learn how to link specific department to your Segment website. 1. Log into your Segment account and go to the Destinations category. 2. Click on Add Destination to proceed. 3. Choose LiveChat from the list of available integrations. 4. Click on Configure LiveChat to proceed. 5. Choose JavaScript as a source. To proceed, click on Confirm Source. 6. All that is left is to provide your LiveChat's license number and click on Activate Destination. Done. LiveChat is now installed on your website. To start chatting with your customers, all that you need is one of our applications, available for both desktop computers and mobile platforms, iOS and Android. Adding LiveChat for a particular group. If you run multiple websites and you are using our groups feature to handle your websites by different departments, you can assign the number of group that you would like to assign to your segment page. In order to do that, you need to go to the advanced settings of the LiveChat integration. There, enter the group number for the group that should receive chats from the chosen website. To finalize, click on Save button. To find the group ID, log to your LiveChat web application and go to the Agents section of the app. Group ID will be stated at the end of the URL address in your web browser. Done. Now your segment is integrated with LiveChat and you can start using it right away.